Who won the latest Super Bowl? Answer. The winner of the latest Super Bowl is Kansas City Chiefs. In which country did sports soccer originated? Answer. Football originated in England. Who holds the record for the most Olympic gold medals? Answer. Michael Phelps holds the records for the most Olympic gold medals. What is the scoring system in tennis called? Tennis used scoring system of love 15, 30, 40 and game. Which city hosted the 2016 Summer Olympic? The 2016 Summer Olympic were hosted in Rio de Janeiro, Brazil. Who is often referred as the greatest in boxing? Muhammad Ali is often referred to as the greatest in boxing. What is diameter of standard basketball hoop in inches? The diameter of standard basketball hoop is 18 inches. In golf, what is the birdie? A birdie is the gulp in score of the stroke under par 1 a hole. Which country has won the most FIFA World Cup titles? Brazil has won the most FIFA World Cup titles. How many players are there in standard score team? A standard score team has 11 players. Who is the all-time leading scorer in NBA history? Kareem Abdul-Jabbar is all-time leading scorer in NBA history. What is the maximum number of players a baseball team can have on the field at once? A baseball team can have a maximum of 9 players on the field at once. Which country hosted the first modern Olympic game? Greece hosted the first modern Olympic Games in 1896. What is the triple crown in the horse racing? The triple crown in horse racing consists of winning Kentucky Derby, Preakness Stakes, and Belmont Stakes. In which year did NHL begin its first season? The NHL began its first season in 1917. Who holds the record for the most Grand Slam signal title in tennis? The Margaret Court holds the record for the most Grand Slam signal titles in tennis. What is the distance of the marathon in miles? A marathon is 26.2 miles long. In American football, how many points is a touchdown worth? A touchdown worth in American football is worth 6 points. Who won the last FIFA Women World Cup? The United States won the last FIFA Women World Cup. What is the nickname of the Green Bay Packers home stadium? Lambeau Field is often referred to as the frozen tundra.